Hello, friends! Welcome to Poffy's Quiz World. Today, we are going to play a fun brain game. I will show you 4 pictures. You have to look closely and find the one that is different. Are you ready to test your brain? Let's go. Level 1, easy. Look at these animals. Which one is the odd one out? The cat! That's right. The others are dogs that say woof, but the cat says meow. Round 2. Look at the fruit. Which one is different? The banana! The apples are round and red, but the banana is long and yellow. Round 3. Look at the vehicles. Which one does not belong? The boat! Cars go on the road, but a boat floats on the water. Round 4. Look at the furniture. Which one is odd? The table. We sit on chairs, but we put our food on the table. Round 5. Look at the sky. Which one is different? The airplane. Birds are alive, but an airplane is a machine. Round 6. Which one is the odd one out? The pizza! We play with balls, but we eat pizza. Round 7. Look at the clothes. Which one is different? The hat! Shoes go on your feet, but a hat goes on your head. Round 8. Look at the silverware. Which one is odd? The fork! Spoons are round for soup, but a fork has points for picking up food. Round 9. Look at the plants. Which one is different? The tree! Flowers are small and grow in the garden, but a tree is big and tall. Round 10. Look at the animals. Which one does not belong? The bird! Fish swim in the water, but birds fly in the sky. Wow, you finished level 1! You are so smart. Shake your body, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, are you ready for level 2? Look closely at the colors. Level 2, medium. Round 11. Which apple is different? The green apple. All the other apples are red. Round 12. Look at the size. Which one is odd? The small ball. The others are big, but this one is tiny. Round 13. Look at the faces. Which one is different? The sad face. Everyone else is happy and smiling. Round 14. Look at the books. Which one is odd? The open book. The other books are closed tight. Round 15. Which car is the odd one out? The red car. All the other cars are blue. Round 16. Look at the shapes. Which one is different? The square. It has 4 sides. The triangles only have 3. Round 17. Look at the cookies. Which one is odd? The plain cookie. It has no chocolate chips. Round 18. Look at the juice. Which one is different? The empty glass. Someone drank all the juice. Round 19. What are the cats doing? Which one is odd? The sleeping cat. Shh! The other cats are awake. Round 20. Which duck is different? The white duck. The other ducks are yellow. You are amazing! Now, are you ready for the hardest level? Put on your thinking caps. Let's go. Level 3, hard. Round 21. Look at the clothes. Which one does not belong? The swimsuit. We wear warm clothes in winter, but a swimsuit is for summer. Round 22. Look at the animals. Which one is odd? The lion. The lion is a wild animal. The others live on a farm. Round 23. Which food is different? The carrot. It is a vegetable. The others are sweet fruits. Round 24. Which one is the odd one out? The boat. It has no wheels. The others have wheels to drive on the road. Round 25. Look at the objects. Which one is odd? The pillow. We find a pillow in the bedroom, but the others are in the bathroom. Round 26. Which food is different? The candy. Fruits and vegetables are healthy for your body, but candy has too much sugar. Round 27. Which one does not belong? The hammer. It is a tool for building. The others are instruments for making music. Round 28. Look at the animals. Which one is odd? The dog. The dog walks on the ground. The others have wings and can fly. Round 29. Which item is different? The toy car. We use pencils and books for school, but the car is for playtime. Round 30. Which food is different? The broccoli. It is a green vegetable and very healthy. The others are sweets with lots of sugar. They are yummy treats, but broccoli makes you strong. You did it! You finished all 30 levels. You are a super thinker. Did you get them all right? Ask Mom or Dad to type your score in the comments below. I want to know how many stars you got. And don't forget to click the big red button to subscribe for more fun games with Poffy. See you next time. Bye-bye.